Hello students, today we will discuss about some numericals on combination of resistors. Question number 1, find the equivalent resistance between A and B. Here 1 ohm, 1 ohm, here 2 ohm and 2 ohm, again 1 ohm, 1 ohm and 2 ohm, 2 ohm. First we will draw the equivalent circuit. These two 1 ohm are in series, these 2 ohms are in series, and the series combination of these 1 ohms and these 2 ohms are in parallel with each other. Then again the repeating circuit is in series with the first circuit. So first we will find series combination of 1 ohm and 1 ohm. The equivalent resistance of series combination of 1 ohm and 1 ohm is 2 ohm. The equivalent resistance of series combination of 2 ohm and 2 ohm is 4 ohm. So now 2 ohm and 4 ohm are in parallel. So let it R dash. So 1 upon R dash equals to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 equals to 3 upon 4. So R dash equals to 4 upon 3 ohm. Again the equivalent of this circuit will come 4 upon 3 ohm. Then we will find the equivalent of series combination of 4 upon 3 ohm and 4 upon 3 ohm, that is 2 into 4 upon 3 ohm. Let it R double dash. So R double dash equals to 2 into 4 upon 3 ohm equals to 8 upon 3 ohm. Next, come to question number 2. Here 2R and R, but there is a connection in between the resistors. You know, when current will be divided, then the combination will be parallel combination. So we will draw the equivalent circuit of the given combination. Here all the three resistors 2R and R are in parallel. This is 2R, this is 2R, this is R. Let the equivalent resistance of these three resistors is R dash. So 1 upon R dash equals to 1 upon 2R plus 1 upon 2R plus 1 upon R equals to 2R 1 plus 1 plus 2 equals to 4 upon 2R equals to 2 upon R. 2 upon R. So R dash equals to how much? R dash equals to R upon 2. Next question number 3. 6R, 6R, 6R and R. Find the equivalent resistance between A and B. Look at here. Current is divided in between these three resistors. This 6R, this 6R and this 6R. So the 6R resistors are in parallel and the combination of this one is in series with R. So let R dash is the equivalent resistance of the parallel combination. So 1 upon R dash equals to 1 upon 6R plus 1 upon 6R plus 1 upon 6R equals to 3 upon 6R equals to 1 upon 2R. So R dash equals to 2R. Again these 2R and R is in series. Let the equivalent resistance of the final equivalent resistance is R double dash, that is R double dash equals to 2R plus R equals to 3R. Next question number 4. Here 4 10 ohm resistors are there. So find out the equivalent resistance between A and B. Here current is divided between all the 4 resistors. So all the 4 resistors having resistances 10 ohm are in parallel. This is the equivalent circuit. Similarly, let R dash is the equivalent resistance. So 1 upon R dash equals to 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 10 equals to 4 upon 10. So R dash equals to 10 upon 4 equals to 2.5 ohm. Next, question number 5. Find the equivalent resistance between A and B. Here 10 ohm, 10 ohm, here also 10 ohm, here also 10 ohm, here also 10 ohm. These two 10 ohm resistors are in series. Let their equivalent is R dash. So equivalent of two 10 ohm resistors in series is 20 ohm. Then these 20 ohm and 10 ohm are in parallel. Let equivalent of them is R double dash. So 1 upon R double dash equals to 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 10 equals to 3 upon 20. So R double dash equals to 20 upon 3 ohm. Next, this 20 upon 3 ohm and here 10 ohm, here 10 ohm. These are in series. Let their equivalent resistances are triple dash. So R triple dash equals to 10 ohm plus 20 upon 3 ohm plus 10 ohm equals to 80 upon 3 ohm. That is the total equivalent resistance of the given circuit, that is equivalent resistance between A and B. Next, question number 6. Find the equivalent resistance between A and B. Here 8 ohm, 2 ohm, 4 ohm, 6 ohm, here 3 ohm and here 6 ohm. As I told, when current will be divided, the resistors are in parallel combination. So 8 ohm and 2 ohm are in parallel. Let their equivalent resistance is R dash. So 1 upon R dash equals to 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 2 equals to 5 upon 8. So R dash equals to 8 upon 5 ohm. Similarly, 4 ohm and 6 ohm are in parallel. Let their equivalent resistance R double dash. So 1 upon R double dash equals to 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 6 equals to 5 upon 12. So R double dash equals to 12 upon 5 ohm. Next, this combination and this combination are in series. So let their equivalent resistances R triple dash. So R triple dash equals to R dash plus R double dash equals to 8 upon 5 plus 12 upon 5 ohm equals to 20 upon 5 equals to 4 ohm. Next, these 4 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm are in parallel. Let the total equivalent resistance between A and B is R. So 1 upon R equals to 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 6 equals to 18 upon 24. So R equals to 24 upon 8 equals to 4 upon 3 ohm, which is the equivalent resistance between A and B. Next, question number 7. Find the equivalent resistance between A and B. Here R, here also R, here also R. We will draw the equivalent circuit. It will be like this. As I told in previous video, if the circuit will like this, then and the ratio between these two resistances and these two resistances is same. Here it is same, R upon R1, R upon R1. So this resistor will be ineffective, which is known as balance condition of Wheatstone bridge, which we will discuss in next chapter. So this resistor will be ineffective. Now this R and this R is in series. So series of R and R is 2R. Again, series of R and R is 2R. Now 2R and 2R is in parallel. So equivalent resistance 1 upon R dash equals to 1 upon 2R plus 1 upon 2R equals to 2 upon 2R, that is 1 upon R. So R dash equals to R. Next, question number 8. Here 3 ohm, 7 ohm, 10 ohm, 10 ohm and 5 ohm. Find the equivalent resistance between A and B. So first we will take in this direction. 3 ohm and 7 ohm are is in series. So equivalent resistance of 3 ohm and 7 ohm is 10 ohm. Again this 10 ohm and 10 ohm is in parallel. So let equivalent is R dash. So 1 upon R dash equals to 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 10 equals to 2 upon 10. So R dash equals to 10 upon 2 equals to 5 ohm. Again this 5 ohm and this 5 ohm are is in series. Let equivalent of them is R double dash equals to 5 ohm plus 5 ohm equals to 10 ohm. Again the total 10 ohm and this 10 ohm is in parallel. So final equivalent resistance is, let it R triple dash equals to parallel of 10 ohm and 10 ohm, that is 5 ohm, which is the equivalent resistance between A and B. Next, question number 9. Find the equivalent resistance between A and B. Here 3 ohm, 3 ohm, here 6 ohm, again 3 ohm, 6 ohm, 3 ohm, 6 ohm, 3 ohm and 3 ohm. Here this 3 ohm and 3 ohm are in series. Equivalent of them is 6 ohm. Then 6 ohm, 6 ohm parallel. Equivalent of them is 3 ohm. Again 3 ohm, 3 ohm in series. Equivalent of them is 6 ohm. Again 6 ohm and this 6 ohm in parallel. Equivalent of them is 3 ohm. Again 3 ohm and 3 ohm in series. Equivalent of them is 6 ohm. Again this 6 ohm and total 6 ohm in parallel. Equivalent of them is 3 ohm. Then 3 ohm, 3 ohm in series. Equivalent of them is 6 ohm. Then total 6 ohm and 3 ohm are in parallel. So equivalent of them is, let it R. So 1 upon R equals to 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6 equals to 3 upon 6. So R equals to 6 upon 3 equals to 2 ohm. Next, question number 10. There is an infinite ladder of network consisting of set of resistors 1 ohm and 2 ohm. 1 ohm, 2 ohm, here again 1 ohm, 2 ohm, again 1 ohm, 2 ohm up to infinity. We have to find out the equivalent resistance between A and B. Since it is an infinite ladder of network, if we will add a more set of resistors to the given network, then its resistance will be not affected. Let equivalent resistance between A and B is R. If we will add one set of resistor 1 ohm and 2 ohm to the given network, then its resistance will be R. Equivalent resistance will be R. So equivalent resistance between A dash and B dash will be R. Now the equivalent resistance between A and B is R dash, let it be R dash. So R dash is equivalent of 2 ohm and R in parallel. So 1 upon R dash equals to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon R. So R dash equals to 2R upon R plus 2. Now as I told, the equivalent of 2R upon R plus 2, that is R dash, and 1 ohm is in series is equals to R. So 2R upon R plus 2 plus 1 equals to R, implies that R plus 2 LCM, 2R plus R plus 2 equals to R, that is 3R plus 2 upon R plus 2 equals to R, implies that 3R plus 2 equals to R square plus 2R. So R square minus R minus 2 equals to 0, implies that R square minus 2R plus R minus 2 equals to 0, implies that R into R minus 2 plus 1 into R minus 2 equals to 0. So R minus 2 into R plus 1 equals to 0. So R equals to 2 and R equals to minus 1. We cannot take R equals to minus 1. So R equals to 2 ohm. Thank you.